Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's Card Thursday. And I have been, I'm sorry to say I had to make a sympathy card this week. So this is a sympathy card I made. And I was looking for a different fold. Let's bring you up. I was looking for a different type of fold. And I got this one. Not happy with it. It's fine, but I was looking for one where it would have been another card within here and open, and I just really couldn't find it. So I'm using these cards. I did a sympathy and a birthday card since I had to cut the cardstock differently. So I decided that I'd show you this, but show you it in a Christmas card again. Yeah, I know, I'm doing all my Christmas cards. So what I have used for this is Peaceful Seasons and Peaceful Evergreens. Ink, I'm going to use Mossy Meadow and Cherry Cobbler. I am using a 4 1/4 by 11-inch piece of Cherry Cobbler. I am using a 4-inch by 5 1/4-inch piece of Very Vanilla. Then I also used some scrap and punched out some punches, some labels that I'm going to be using. The first thing I'm going, and I'm using the, oops, I know I had it here, probably under here. Oh no, where did it go? Oh, here they are. I'm using, these are Peaceful Seasons Designer Series paper. I'm using, this is 4 inches. Yeah, 4 inches by 3 3/4, and this is 4 inches by 1 3/4. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut off 2 inches of this Cherry Cobbler. And then I am going to, at 5 1/2, I am going to score this piece of Cherry Cobbler. Okay, this is really easy card. So again, I'm just going to fold this here at the score line. Then I'm going to attach the pieces of Designer Series paper. Just like this. And I'm still going to look for that one that I've been looking for. You know, on Facebook they send you all of these cards that you want to do, beautiful cards, and I had this one card that was in my reels for, must have been 6 days. Almost every day I saw it. Went to look for it, couldn't find it. So and then just on one side of this am I going to do tape. You don't want to get it too much, because what you're going to do is just line this up in the middle, line it up to the end right there, and there you go. Then I'm going to do this. I am going to use Mossy Meadow for the Christmas tree, or for the tree, the evergreen tree. I'm going to take these off. I have a habit lately of really pressing too hard. Okay. Then I am going to take Wishing for You and Yours. I'm going to color that in with the cherry cobbler. And again, you can use, I'm using this, but you could use that. That's because I had this out. And you could do a couple different colors if you wanted to do the saying in a couple of different colors with your markers. It's beaten up. I'm just going to stamp once and do it again. Going to stamp Wishing You and Yours, and then Season of Wonder and Happiness. There we go. Now I'm going to attach this with some Stampin' Seal. On the inside. Oops. And get some I had some Stampin' Dimensionals. I think I'm going to use up some of my designer series paper some more. And there you go, a great Christmas card. Remember, if you enjoy my cards, to pass this on and also shop with me at marytroutner.stampinup.net. Thanks. Have a good day.